365 days. Wow. Just the last birthday video I made was freaking garbage, dude. It was like you could barely freaking hear me. Now with this thing, and you actually get like two things actually. You get this, and then you get freaking an animation. So you get two. It's like two birthday presents. And the bear update. I know not a lot of my subscribers play bear, but for me, I'm really excited because people say it's coming out on Wednesday, so that'll get a bunch of content out by then. Damn, it hasn't even felt that long either. 365 days. Holy crap. That is just crazy. I was not expecting that to go by so fast. Also, some other these guys are birthday or something. He's making a birthday video for me, which is sweet. And there's like three. That's crazy. So thank you and shout out to that dude. He is amazing. He's been pumping out more content than me. Like, he made like a 7-minute video of me making his like Jackie's Pizza place. Crazy. So congratulations to him. I hope you have a wonderful day.